Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to reset your security pin or code on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, the default code is 0000. If you type this in, it should work. Now, to actually reset the code and type in the default password, you're going to want to go ahead and turn off your TV. So let's press power on the remote. Now with the TV completely turned off, press the mute button down. So let's go to mute 824 power. Mute 824 power. Now it may take a little bit of time for your TV to turn on, which is fine. But once your TV starts, go to menu, and then you can go to support if you're trying to reset your TV, and you can type in that pin now, the 0000 pin, and everything should be reset. So I'm going to go back to system, then go to security under here, and then I can type in 0000. I should be able to enter this menu now, and I can change the pin or put on program rating lock right here for some kind of like parental controls or whatever. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.